Good morning, dear student. Today we would read the first chapter of the second book, Vistas, that is the third level by Jack Finney. As I told you earlier, that before reading this chapter, we are to keep in mind our experiences with the reading of the chapter, the adventure and virtually true. Both these chapters dealt with the theme of time travel. Gangadhar Pant in adventure experienced a bifurcation in the point of history, and he was transported to a different world. Now we have another chapter with the theme of time travel. It is a science fiction. It dwells with the theme of escapism, and it also tells us that the protagonist tries to find a psychological refuge from the grim realities of the present day life. What does the third level refers to? The title third level refers to the third level of Grand Central Station of New York, which is a symbol of escape from the modern world, which is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry and the rest. The period which is selected by the protagonist to take refuge is 1890s, which represents a peaceful life which is not possible in the present era. Main characters in the story are three. Charlie, the protagonist or the central character, he is 31 years old. He is an escapist by nature and he wants to go back, find refuge in the past, which is romantic as compared to the modern life full of war, worries, disease, etc. His wife, Louisa, she disbelieves her husband and she is worried about him. That's why she sends her to his friend Sam, who is a psychiatrist. And when Sam is told about the existence of third level by Charlie, he considers it as a figment of imagination. But later in the story, we come to know that Sam himself is also an escapist. The third level at Grand Central Station, as is described by the authorities, there are only two levels which has trains leading to different destinations. First level leads to urban destination and second level leads to suburban destination, and they say that there is no third level existence, but Charlie claims that there are three levels and he had been there. Charlie loses his way at Grand Central. The fast growing Grand Central Station at times seems to be like a maze to Charlie. He considers it growing like the roots of a tree. He says that he has lost his way a couple of times earlier too while taking the subway. Once he entered the lobby of the Roosevelt Hotel, while the other time he emerged at an office building that was 3 blocks away. But this time, when he was in a hurry to meet Louisa because he was already late in his office, he loses his way and something unique happens. He visits the third level. He describes the third level as having small rooms, few ticket windows and train gates, which are wooden and old looking. Man had beard, sideburns and they wore fancy moustaches. Women also wore skirts, high-buttoned shoes, and leg of mutton sleeves, which are no longer in fashion. A man was seen looking at a pocket watch, golden pocket watch, which is not used in modern time, as we know that people use wristwatch. Old style locomotive with funnel shaped stack, which reminds of old steam engine. Open gas lights were used instead of electricity, and there were brass spittoons on the floor. When he tells about his experience to Louisa, she refers him to his psychiatrist friend, and Charlie visits psychiatrist friend named Sam. He talks about his problem. The psychiatrist calls it a waking dream with fulfillment and rationalizes Charlie's psychology by saying that modern world is full of insecurity, fear, worry and war, and everybody wants to escape to some temporary refuge from reality. According to him, even hobbies like stamp collection is a manifestation of this escape. When told to people, they react differently to Charlie's experience. President of New York railroads fear on the existence of two levels only. Psychiatrist friend Sam refuses to believe. He interprets it as an escape from insecurity, fear, war and worries of the modern world. Louisa too disbelieves Charlie. Now Charlie makes a secret plan. He had always wanted to travel to Galsburg with his wife Louisa. In his mind, it is a wonderful town, still with big old frame houses, huge lawns and tremendous trees. It is a place with long and pleasant summer evenings where people had ample of time. That's why next day he exchanges $300 for old style bills. Bills means old style currency notes, which were no longer in vogue in the modern time. But he could only exchange 200 instead of 300. But he could never again find the corridor heading to the third level. We also come across this phrase philately and the first day covers. We know that Charlie was fond of collecting stamps. It is known as philately. It is not just stamp collection, but in a broad term it includes the study of stamps, postal history and other related items. When a new stamp is issued on the first day, people who collect stamps mail a blank paper to themselves and then retain that unopened letter with the date on the postmark. Charlie has inherited the hobby and the collection from his grandfather, which means he has some stamps collected by his grandfather in his collection as well. Now the ending of the story is quite unexpected. As Sam disappears, there were weeks that Sam was not seen anywhere. Charlie finds a first day cover never seen before in his stamp collection. When he opens that first day cover, he finds a note from Sam. It was dated 18 July 1894 from Galsburg. As we know, when it was told to Sam, Charlie visited the third level on 11 June 1894 as is signified by the newspaper The World, which he saw on the third level railway station. Sam asked Charlie and Louisa to come to Galsburg and enjoy a quiet and peaceful life. Charlie discovers Sam had bought old currency worth $800. While on an evening walk, he comes to know that Sam had exchanged all his $800 with old currency notes, and he also comes to know from the letter that Sam has established a hay and grain business in 1894 in Galsburg with that money. Now, in addition to the textual question, we should also do these questions in our notebook. These are high order thinking questions which are expected to come in examination. Do you think that the third level was a medium of escape for Charlie? If so, why? Second question, what do you infer from the letter of Sam? Sam's letter to Charlie is a fine blend of reality and fantasy. Comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.